Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something a bit different, the LMRC-12D Max Bullet Toy Drone. This isn't just your average beginner drone. It comes with a rather unique feature, a shooting turret. Yes, this drone can actually fire plastic bullets while it's in the air, and you can control the shooting speed right from the remote. The description even mentions the possibility of aerial combat if you have two of these, which sounds like a really fun gaming experience. It's important to note that the bullet firing feature is recommended for age 18 and up. Beyond the cool shooting gimmick, the LMRC-12D Max is designed to be super easy for anyone to fly, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. It has features like headless mode, which simplifies orientation, one key start and landing for effortless takeoffs and touchdowns, and altitude hold to keep it stable at a set height. You can even use hand gestures to snap photos or record videos, which is a neat touch. Plus, there are 3 different speed levels you can switch between to match your skill level, or just have more fun zipping around. Now, let's talk about flight time and the camera. The package includes 2 modular batteries, and together, they give you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. Having that extra battery is fantastic because it means less waiting around for charging and more time in the air exploring. For capturing footage, the drone is equipped with a 4K camera. It's an FPV drone, meaning you get a real-time transmission of what the drone sees directly to your mobile device, giving you that immersive flying perspective. The camera has a 90-degree adjustable angle, so you can tilt it to get the perfect shot, and it even features a multi-fold zoom dual camera setup. Safety features are also included. The drone supports low power and broken signal alarms. If it loses the control signal or the battery gets too low, it's designed to automatically end the flight, which is a good safety measure. You also have the option to manually press a return button if you want to bring it back yourself. Overall, the LMRC-12D Max seems like a really interesting option, especially for adults or beginners looking for a drone that offers more than just basic flight and photography. That bullet feature definitely sets it apart as a unique gift or toy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.